Today is a very special day in our collective history. On this day, 75 years ago, your University of Houston College of Pharmacy was born. Thanks to the determination and vision of Houston physician Alan Collette, local pharmacists and community leaders, the UH Board of Regents approved the second College of Pharmacy in Texas on October 16, 1946. I know you share the pride in the outstanding accomplishments of our entire UH pharmacy family, year after year, which has helped establish and sustain our reputation for true excellence in teaching, research, service, and patient care. Over the coming months, we invite you to join us for several traditional and special events focused on celebrating the college's history and future. A few highlights of these activities include the return of our Pharmacy Homecoming Tailgate on Saturday, October 23rd at TDECU Stadium. We look forward to seeing everyone back for our first tailgate in 2 years, during which we will unveil the college's official 75th anniversary logo. We're also finalizing plans for our 75th anniversary gala at the newly renovated UH Hilton Hotel on Friday, February 25th. This will be a wonderful evening of reconnecting and reliving memories with classmates, faculty, and mentors. And our anniversary celebrations wouldn't be complete without the annual UHCOP Golf Classic that has provided so much fun and fellowship for alumni, faculty, and friends, and financial support for our students for over 40 years. We're finalizing the course and date, but we expect to announce the plans for our 2022 event very soon. We will also provide opportunities for you to share your memories and your story with the Cougar Pharmacy family. To make an indelible mark in this historic milestone, we also will be launching a new scholarship campaign. This campaign is aimed at ensuring our best and brightest and most deserving students have the support to achieve their dreams of becoming pharmacists and researchers to improve the health and quality of life for our patients, our loved ones, our neighbors, and our communities. On behalf of the entire College of Pharmacy family, I wish you health and happiness on this diamond anniversary of your college and look forward to seeing you during our upcoming events to celebrate the 75 years of character, compassion, competency, and courage.